Okay, I'm checking the plants, the vegetable that I planted here last time. Oh, they're growing taller. Okay. And the squash. Look at that. And my mom gave us 12 chicks with the mama. Look, they are new. The one we had here before were black chicks. So they already moved to another pen. So now we have these chicks here. Oh, they broke they already that thing, the roost thing fell down. Okay, hang on. Okay, so in here, let me secure this pen first. So in here we have corns, and this is how they look like now. Looks nice. And these are string beans, the long beans. Yeah. My gardener was here yesterday. He cleaned the area. It was raining yesterday so hard, and the school was canceled. So my gardener and her wife was here. They have time to clean the farm. See how beautiful these corn. Last time the goats came in and tried to eat some of the leaves of the corn. I was so agitated. I was frustrated because we want this garden to look good, but then the goat came in, they destroyed the fence, and yeah, that was what happened last time. So look at that tomatoes. And I love that. I'm happy that the spinach grow here. I like spinach. And let's check our pineapple here. Yeah, another one is over there. It's over there. And hang on. Oops. Okay, another pineapple here, and I like that there's a papaya tree growing here. Last time I had a big papaya tree there, but then I moved to other place for how many months, and I didn't take care of this farm, so almost everything died. But I'm glad that this is growing again. I'm happy. Me and my partner will do more in this farm. But we're just waiting for the building permit so that we can start building our house. Actually, we started the layout uh, 1 or 2 weeks ago, but then we realized that we really have to do the permit first, so we stopped doing this, and eventually, like maybe like in a few days time, we will already have the permit, and we can start we can continue building the farmhouse here. Yeah, so see, there's water in there. It's because of the rain yesterday. Yeah, but we will still continue to construct something here, so that we can put another pump here to supply water to water in the house. I really am happy that this is already, that most of the plants that we planted here are growing so nicely. Look at those hollow blocks, and over there are the cements, and I'm worrying about it. Hopefully it's not um, solid yet, I mean hard. So yep. I don't know what my partner is doing, but yep, he's trying to do something, maybe another cage, because we have many chicks in the house where we live in. We have 21 chicks. It's mixed. It's Bantam and the Rhode Island Red and D109. Yeah, we have those. We have those at home, and also we have 21 broiler. Yeah, but they're too low, and we don't know where to put them yet. So actually we were planning to redo this. Yeah, to do something, take this, empty this place, or maybe the floor, and we're gonna put net around it so that the chickens can hang out there. Yeah. And we had a problem last time. The quail was escaped from their cage. Okay, so I mean this cage, because this was open, this part was open, so we only captured 9 of them, and we put another one male here from this pen. Yeah, we're glad that we captured some of them. But this morning when I checked the CCTV camera, we saw that one of the quails was trying to escape. He's trying to squeeze in herself here. She wanted to get out. Oh, she's attacking me. Yeah, so I decided to put this one here permanently, so we can't open this part. So we'll just open this part. This is the dog cage, but then we don't have we don't want to do the quail cage yet. I mean, oh, this one first was we used this for chickens, and then since we already moved the chickens to the big pen, so we put the quails here. Yeah. but in the future we'll make a proper cage for them. But for now, yeah, we don't want to spend a lot of money for this when we are um, planning to build a farmhouse. They're not that many. I think we had actually 100 plus quails, and some of them because we have a lot of males too, so we gave some of the males to my brother, children, so they can have some, and some to my sister. She cooked it, and she likes it. She liked it. So yeah. So we have new eggs there that we put in the incubator. So once we have new babies, new quails, then that's the time we will start to get rid of the old quails. We'll start eating them, and the new ones will do the laying, of it, and so we can have a supply or more supply of eggs, quail eggs every day. My partner likes quail egg. Yeah. So this is here for now. Yeah. Oh, by the way, so this is the layer that we gave to the quail. Oh, they eat a lot, and they likes to drink a lot of water, and they're always thirsty. So like every day we have to be here to make sure that they have enough water to drink. You know. So for now they don't have eggs, but oh my goodness, I didn't know our farmer already collected how many eggs? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, so that means yesterday when we collected like 25 eggs, there was more eggs coming out of the quail butt. So yeah, I think this is from yesterday, and later in the afternoon they're gonna make more eggs. We're gonna have more eggs, so yeah, we're gonna be back this afternoon. Yeah. Okay, I think I have to turn on the fan again. Yeah. It's so wet here in the farm. Okay, so this is all for now. Thank you for watching, and please, to those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. Thank you. Bye.